How is it going, everyone? So, yes, and we are officially done with September 2021, and we are jumping into Q4 from the next day. So, before starting for the Q4, I mean October 2021, I just wanted to share my earnings of September 2021 with you guys in within a short time. And also, before jumping into the details of the video, let me mention something very specific. In my channel, I don't own. I'm not always showing the earnings to you guys. I also try to make some valuable videos and contents for you guys as a Mars by Amazon content creator that might help you to get some profit possible sales on your Mars by Amazon account. So make sure to check my full videos of live niche research. Also, there's some other videos like Q4 niche research and tips and tricks and question and answer Q&A. So just check my videos on my channel. I will put link to the live niche research playlist, full playlist in this video's description box. Also, there's a Facebook group community where lots of people are joining and they are having some fun in the group, and also they are sharing their questions, ideas in the group. So you might like to join the group as well. I'll leave also link of that Facebook group in the description of this video. So before making any further delay, let's start with this video. So as you can see, this month I made a total of 785 sales, which is crazy for tier 500, but it's always possible in tier 500 if you have some quality contents. Listen, to make some profitable sales, good number of sales, you don't need to have 100 or 200 high rank, I mean low BSL products. You just need 10 to 15 successful products that might bring you some crazy sales. And along with that, if you have some other evergreen designs that make sale some sales every now and then, this will all add up to your number for the month. So let me show you, that's my strategy, how I made this 785 sales for this month, and were able to earn this number of royalty in 1 month. So in September 2021, you can see I've made actually 805 sales, out of which 20 have been cancelled, and also I've got 34 returns, which might increase a little more going forward. Regarding the returns, I'm actually a little pissed off with Amazon. I'm not sure why this is happening. I mean, the returns always hurts you, man. Whenever you made a sale and the very next day or after 2 3 days, you see a couple of them are returned, and which you don't know the reason actually, like why they have returned that. So this is something a little gray area in Merge by Amazon, but you have to accept those things. But yeah, it always makes you a little feel a little bit bad when you see a return on your account. But yeah, apart from the returns, I see some good numbers on my account. Is that the royalties per sale, that is 4.33. This is the point how actually I wanted to be. When you make a sale and you are earning 4.33 per sale, this is something you everyone wants to be, and I'm pretty happy about my average royalties per sale. So yes, and so this comes to the end point of the pricing strategy. So I always told you guys that I try to put my shirts pricing at a decent level, that is 18.99. But there are some other factors you have to consider while you are setting your price. So I'll make a separate video on pricing strategy for sure. I'm just planning on each and every topics that might be helpful for you, and just keep stay tuned with my channel so you can have all of those you know um, valuable tips and tricks from my end that are working at my end and that might also work on your end. So just stay tuned with my channel, guys. And you can see, so I have average sales per day for the last 30 days is 26, which is very good, and average return is 1 to 2. So yeah, this is something I don't want to see on my account, but probably I have to go with these things, and I have to accept every time, especially coming forward for the Q4. There will be more returns. I can assure that, but there will happen some more returns. But yeah, this is all about March Amazon game. So average royalties per day is $113, which is also good. So, and the average per month, that is obviously for this one is 785, and the royalties you can see 300 and $3,403. Yes, and the record day of my March by Amazon this month, and this is obviously the best day for me so far with my March by Amazon account. That is 73 sales. Uh, So regarding the product types, my performance are obviously the standard t-shirt is the most selling product for me, and you can see the next one is the V-neck. So yes, I've made a lot of V-neck sales this month. That is 54, which I really love to see because I'm not relying on standard t-shirt no more. So I'm making sales on other shirt types. So there is V-neck obviously on the second ranking on my list, and the long sleeves. Yes, I've made some long sleeve sales. That is 13. Also, I've sold four premium t-shirts. So I've sold premium t-shirt for the first time during this month. I haven't sold premium shirt before. So this month I have unlocked some new achievements. That is really great. And also you can see sweatshirt. That is also something I sold for the first time during this month. And Apple phone case one. It's also the first for me this month. And tote bag also first for this for my account, and it happened during this month. So if you talk about my fit types, top fit types, you may see it's a little strange, but yeah, unfortunately, women have loved my designs a lot rather than men. Though I haven't actually created the designs only using the women fit type. No, not that's not the case. I have actually published the designs available for men and women both, but yeah, luckily the women found my designs a little more engaging than the men. So yeah, 57% of my customers are women and 38% are men. And also kids have got some of my designs. I love to see that. And obviously the unisex is actually about the long sleeve and the sweatshirt. So top colors obviously the black, and the then comes the dark heather, royal, and so on. So yes, so as you can see, my top product 400 times sold, and it brought me 1770 royalties. So I'm very much happy about that. I feel a lot lucky to bring this product on my account, and this was a very unique design created by me. So that's why I always try to tell you guys, be unique, try to bring something new. If you're a graphic designer by yourself, try to utilize full skill of yours that you have got regarding graphics design. But if you're not a graphic design, that's not a problem. You have BS for sure. Just make sure to bring those ideas, and also make sure to you know uh, utilize those ideas properly in your design. So communicate with your designer accordingly to have the design stand out from the competitors. And you can have the you can have those selling factors in your design. Yes, that is something I always focus on. I always try to put some selling factors in my design. So yeah, that one or two selling factor might help you withstand from the computer's design. I'll describe what are these selling factors actually in a design. So I'll probably make a separate video. And yeah, there's something I always talk with you guys. There are so many ideas to share with you guys. I just need a little bit time to bring those ideas sequentially one by one with my videos. So yeah, just stay tuned till then, and enjoy my videos. So yeah, this video is actually getting longer. I won't, take much time from you guys. This is all about my current month sales. I'm very much happy about my current month sales, and it's just officially starting the Q4 from tomorrow. And I've already got 785 sales in September, just before the Q4. So really excited about the Q4, what it reveals for the upcoming 3 months. Everyone is always excited about Q4 for March Amazon sales. So let's see how it goes. And till then, just stay tuned with my channel, and make sure to watch the valuable contents regarding niche research and tips and tricks and Q&A for March Amazon, and have some possible sales on your account. So yeah, till then, happy March, be creative, goodbye.